Here we are in the downtown San Jose at the Plaza. We've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,271 square foot, first floor condo number 110 ready for you. Come on in, let's check it out. The Plaza in downtown San Jose is 1 block from St. James Park, 2 blocks from San Pedro Square, and every restaurant you can imagine, morning, noon, and night to enjoy with your family. And easy access to public transportation and San Jose Mineta International Airport make 30 East Julian, number 110, your future home.